Okay, so I'm going to do my first video, and Alex is here to help me. Say hi. Big eagle. Okay, so here's an old one that I got. This one was from March. I should probably tell you what we're opening. This is a Tokyo treat crate. I have a premium subscription, and so they send Japanese snacks to your house once a month. And they're surprises. So last month's theme was matcha and sakura because the flowers are blooming in Japan right now. That was pretty yummy. I didn't eat all of it. They usually send some pretty generic stuff, like just like Hello Kitty shaped candies or candies that have Pokemon on them because a lot of people like that. But occasionally there are some strange things, like they have like sour plum candies and stuff. So this is the box from last month, and I just thought it was cool to show because they are in different sizes. So they just take the shape of the product into considerations, which is cool, so they don't just kind of mash it in there. And the presentation is nice. They have printing on here. I tried Oyatsu box recently, and it was like not good in the box. Just looked like shit. And that's part of the thing, is to feel like, oh, this thing finally came, and oh, it's shiny, and look, there's just fucking pictures on it. Oh my god. So that's part of the appeal for some people. I'm not crazy about it, but I do like the orange and that it matches this. We're gonna open it. And hopefully he's not pooping yet. I don't really care that much. So this is April's box, and it came really early, so I was excited to do this video. They usually ship out on the 28th or the 30th of the previous month. So if you want that box, like if you wanted the matcha box for March, you would have to sign up by like February 28th or something. I don't know, they'll tell you on the website. So this is April's box, and I think it was like a second anniversary theme, whatever that means. I am excited because it's more random stuff. I'm hoping they put some kind of like weird, unique stuff in here, not just like Pokemon stuff. So I'm gonna open it. So this thing they put in so that you can learn more about the items you have, especially if you can't read kanji or hiragana or any form of Japanese characters. This will help you out and explain it. That's pretty much it. Sometimes they put like a bonus little article in there. They have pictures of the fans. It's just nice that they have that so you can see what you're looking at. They do not have nutrition info or ingredients. So if you have allergies, you're fucked. Be careful. So the first thing here is, I can tell it's Dagashi theme, which is like small snacks and candies like traditionally sold, and these were around like World War II period, I think. And this is a really famous one, Umaibo, which comes in like a million flavors, and you buy a bunch at once in a pack, and I don't know, like maybe moms give them to their kids for snacks, whatever. This one's pizza, you can tell from the picture. And then there's some other classic snacks in here. I can see mochi. I think it's mochi. Not a huge fan of mochi, but now that I know that it's a rice product, I'm more likely to eat it. I really don't like gelatin. I thought it was kind of like more gelatiny. I don't want to eat it. This is mochi. You can see. And it's pudding, which means pudding. There you go, and it's squishy. It's really cute. Pudding flavor seems to be really popular right now that I see on some of the websites. Pop'n Cookin, the character from Sanrio, just had his anniversary. I think last year, about a year ago, when I was in Japan. They had like special cafes and stuff out So, I don't know, maybe this is still trendy. The pudding flavor. Yeah, so we have some classic norimaki rice cracker cheek with seaweed on it. Nori senbei. Senbei norimaki, which we're talking about the Dr. Slump character. Here's another traditional, this one's sweet. I'm not a huge fan of these, but, you know. Okay, so gummies. Japan has some pretty good gummies. They're really like juicy, fruit gummies anyway. And the one brand, what is it called? You've seen them. You can get them in Philly and stuff. So I've not seen this brand before, but it's peach, which is exciting because I really like peach flavored Japanese snacks because they taste like real peaches. It's really good. So this is, I don't know how to pronounce it, like Lot. They make, I think they make Koala's March, the little cookies that are filled with, little cookies filled with like cream that have koala printed on the outside of them. I think that's those people. I might be wrong. I'll make a note if I was wrong. Anyway, so this is kind of like a big brand. It's like nothing really exciting or valuable, but this is the Ghana style, which I'm not really sure why it's special, but it's kind of like the new trendy thing. I think it just means that there's extra cocoa in it, so it's like more real cocoa or more bitter and strong. But this is milk chocolate, so I'm not really sure why they say extra cocoa. It might just be branding. So here's the traditional matcha green tea Pocky. I don't really like Pocky that much because it leaves like a weird texture in your mouth. Like, I guess, you know, it's like junk food, so it's not going to taste fresh like a fresh biscuit. This is a good flavor. I really like matcha. And if you're going to buy Pocky, you should buy, you should buy this flavor or Brazilian orange, which sounds really weird, but it's really good. Otherwise, I don't like Pocky. So this they usually put in each of the crates if you have the premium account, and this is a DIY candy. So it's like an interactive candy. It's nothing really elaborate. You don't use the microwave or anything, but it's more of like assembly. So the most popular thing they have right now is the bendable foamy candy. So it's kind of like, it's more like you know, the Crayola soft clay, like the white kind that's fluffy. Do you? No? Okay, well, if you know what circus peanuts are, the candy circus peanuts? No? If you know what circus peanuts are, it's like that texture. That's the base for the candy. And then they usually have something like things to decorate it with or a mold to press it in. So the last one I got was a chocolate dip banana thing. Like, you know, you dip banana in chocolate, put it on a stick, put sprinkles on it. It was like that, but what you do is you bend the little foamy candy, stick the thing in it, squeeze some brown goop on it, it's the chocolate, and put the sprinkles on it, and you eat it. And it's not as good as a real chocolate banana at all, but it's kind of fun. So that's in there if you like that. It's not on the same tier as Pop'n Cookin, which I actually think is disgusting. And hopefully, I hope that phase is over because it's really gross. And they have it at my like local Japanese shop, and I'm like, why would you stock that? And so many other things, but they have Pop'n Cookin, and it's nasty. You should watch a video of that if you don't know what Pop'n Cookin is. Here we go. This is what I said, the Pokemon shit. They always put some Pokemon shit in here, which I don't care about. Zoom in on the Pokemon thing I don't care about. This is obviously a chocolate wafer. Meh. This is Chocoball. I'm also disappointed to see this because I've seen this before. This is nothing special. It's another general Japanese candy. This one looks just like chocolate in chocolate. It's, I've actually never eaten these, but I can already tell what it tastes like from looking at it. It's not going to be as hard as a malted milk ball. It's going to be kind of like, not that good. This is really interesting. So, I've never seen this before. Come here. I've never seen this before. I don't even know what these are made out of. They're probably wheat or corn. They're all squiggly, so they're probably corn. And, oh, you know what it is? It's cheese fondue. Yes, cheese fondue. So it looks like a marshmallow, but it's not. It's something being dipped into cheese fondue. And I love Japanese cheese flavored things because they're usually kind of like, they don't taste like cheddar cheese, they taste like stinky cheese, as my mom calls it. So it's like more tangy. It's really good. So those will be interesting. Yes. Got a few more things in here. The one thing I see that is special edition Coca-Cola. I don't think it's flavored at all. I think it's just the packaging. The one that's really popular they have is Pepsi, the seasonal Pepsi, and it's pink, which is weird, right? So they put no caramel coloring in it, which I guess is how they get the color for like Pepsi and Coke and stuff, and they put pink dye in instead. And I don't think it's flavored, I think it's just pink, but that stuff's really popular. And it looks interesting. I've never seen pink Pepsi. But I'm pretty sure this is just plain. I don't like Coca-Cola. But I bet it's made with real sugar, too, like they do in Mexico. That's why people like Mexican Coca-Cola. It's made with real sugar cane instead of the high fructose corn syrup. So it tastes a lot lighter, and the sugar taste is like brighter and tastes good. It doesn't taste like a sludge monster in your body. This is Chip Star. I can tell from the shape. It's like the Pringles can. Who did it first, Chip Star or Pringles? I don't know. But sometimes the Japanese rip us off. Which is amazing, because I think they're the only people that bother to do that. This is lobster bisque flavor. So, we give you our lobster bisque Pringles, you give us... Wait, I said that backwards. We give you Betty Boop, you give us... I don't fucking know. Seafood tasted Pringles? It's a cultural exchange, that's what I'm getting at here. So this is a blind box, this is Rement, and they've been making toys ever since I was a little kid, and I always like looking at these online. So they're like mini models of stuff you'd find in your house or your food. I'll open it now for fun, if you guys want. It's seasonal treats, Sakura. So this is Dango, and these are mochi. These are mochi on the stick, and they're festival food. I've never got to have them. Supposedly, the coloring of the mochi is supposed to resemble a slice of watermelon. So there's pink, which is the fruit, white, which is that fleshy part, and then green, which is the rind. That's cute. I don't know if that's true. Because I don't see a lot of watermelon. I didn't see a lot of watermelon when I was in Japan. Beep beep. So, other different options are like a parfait and a Swiss roll. That's a Swiss roll on the bottom. If you've never had one, they're awesome. They're like really light cake with like a cream swirled around it, and they're usually not very sweet, which is I like. So we got the parfait, and the parfait, or maybe it's a crepe. It looks like a crepe. This thing looks really gross because it's fake. It's kind of an undesirable color for food to be, but alas, I'm not eating. Here, you want to eat it? You get it. Eat it. Assimilate. Assimilate. Okay. Anyway, it comes with a stand. Which is how they were presented. We just got crepes in the King of Prussia Mall, which are amazing, and they presented them like this on this little stand thingy. I'm never going to use that. If one of you guys wants it, comment, and I'll mail it to you. Because I don't want that. I'm not using it. But it is cute. I'm almost done. Oh yeah, I forgot. These always come with a piece of gum. Who eats this gum? I don't know. Not me. I don't want it. I don't like it. I don't need it. They give it to me. Consolation prize. This is called, I know these chips. This is Carl chips. I don't know why it's named that. But the way I remember is I just see that guy. I'm like, oh, it's Carl. It's Carl Chips guy. These are like fucking, these are like Cheetos. This one, we have, this one we have shiitake mushrooms, some fish, because I'm not familiar with which fish are which. Please don't poop. And seaweed. So, seafood flavor with mushroom. I don't know, it's probably a type of traditional preparation for Japanese food, but I'm not familiar which, that combination with the shiitake. Last thing, Baskin-Robbins. There's a lot of chains in Japan that I haven't really seen around in Pennsylvania, and like I know they're in the States, but I haven't really encountered a lot of them. For example, they have Denny's, Baskin-Robbins. What else did they have that was weird? They had Shakey's Pizza, which I didn't know was real, because they talk about it in South Park. Yeah, so this one's Love Potion, number 31. So the thing about Baskin-Robbins is that they're supposed to have like so many different flavors of ice cream. Like they're really exotic. They make so many different kinds of ice cream, like 97 or something. So I guess this is just a candy that tastes like that, and it's filled with probably like raspberry jelly. There it is. I'll point at it. And that's it. That's everything that's in the box. There's a lot. If you like trying a lot of different things that you might not normally try, snack-wise, I know that's like really specific, but I love snacks. So I always want to try new snacks and check out like the texture and the flavors and the color, just everything, how they do it. I'm really interested in how they make junk food and market it and what sticks and what doesn't stick. Like Pop'n Cookin should not stick. Don't let it stick. It's gross. But like I said, you're gonna get shit like the Pokemon thing. Like if you like that and it really excites you, then yes, there's gonna be lots of cute packaging in it. This one didn't really have anything too exotic in it. Obviously, you know, something for everybody in there. The stuff I don't usually eat, I'll just give it to my friends and they're happy to have it. So it's just fun to look at it and see what's new. These products are shipped straight from Japan, so they're up to date. And yeah, that's it. Thank you. Bye. Say bye, evil bird.